Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you all some of the important tips that you could use in order to utilize these last 2 months of your preparation with the best of your ability. See, what you do in these last 2 months is very important. Whatever you put in these last 2 months in your mind, this would reflect in your main examination. Reason being, our mind tends to forget what we have read in the last 1 year, but if you revise, if you have a structured format of these last 2 months, you would be able to recall every single point in the examination. This is the actual aim, what we need to have for utilizing these 2 months. What you can do, or what are the suggestions that I could give you from my end, is the very first thing is revision. Even if you have skipped off some topics, even if you have skipped off some units, I would suggest you now do not run after of completing the syllabus anymore. Reason being, it would not give you any good, or it would not do any good to your preparation. What you can do is, instead of running behind what is left, try to gather what is there in your hand. For example, if you have covered 8 units, let's say, I would suggest you, instead of running after the remaining units, try to summarize, try to gather all the information, try to revise every single point that you have studied for these 8 units. This would be more beneficial as compared to the other one. The second thing, in addition to the revision, is practice. Practicing is very important. The first thing that you could do for the practicing is the previous year question papers. Do not leave the question papers, do not leave the previous year question papers at any cost. They are very important. I have been insisting upon the importance of the previous year question papers. Reason being, they can add a miracle to your examination. They could be a very good boost to your preparation. So make sure that you revise your concepts. In addition, make sure you practice the previous year question papers as much as possible. In addition to that, mock test. Mock tests are very important. Again, I have highlighted the importance of the mock test on my channel time and again. Reason being, this is also very important. In addition to the same, what you could do is, in order to boost your preparation, is I am running a test series on my channel. Many students have already joined and they are actually getting the benefit from the same. All the questions on those test series are completely factual based. They would help you recall the area which we might tend to neglect, or we might not tend to put in attention to those, but that is the area from where the part B questions are actually asked. So if you want, it's completely your choice. I have provided the complete detailed information of that test series in the description box. If you want, you can join the same. The third thing which you could do is the recalling session. Now, what is recalling session and how you have to do? I am planning to make a detailed video for the same, so wait for that video. So there are 3 main pillars on which these 2 months would depend. The first thing is the revision, as just discussed. The second thing is the practice, and the third thing is the recalling component, about which we'll be discussing very soon. So these are the main important points that you need to keep in mind if you were sincerely preparing, and if you actually want to put in your best efforts in these last 2 months. Many of the students, or many of you, have lost track of your preparation, but these 2 months and this particular strategy could help you to be on track and get the fruits of your preparation, get the fruits of your hard work that you were putting in from the last 6 to 7 months, or maybe more than that. So I hope this particular video and these points would be helpful for you in one way or the other. So if yes, do let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. And if you want to join the test series, you can let me know in the comment sections below. There is complete information provided to you in the description box. You can just check the information and join for the same. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.